Stocktake allowable variance. Understanding allowable variances in stock counts is essential for any business managing inventory. It is common for actual stock on hand to differ slightly from what is recorded in the system. These small differences are called allowable variances. They can result from everyday issues like spillage, wastage, receiving errors, or sales of items that do not have recipes. To manage this, the Stocktake template includes a feature that lets you define acceptable limits using the allowable variance type and allowable variance value. You will find this under the General Settings section of the Stocktake template configuration. The variance type can be set to a percentage, a fixed amount, or disabled by selecting none. Then by entering a value, the system will flag any discrepancies that fall outside your set range during a stock count, helping you quickly identify and address any irregularities.